Hey Bookies, I love me a good wig reinstall. So if you want to see how I reinstall this wig, keep on watching. Okay Bookies, so this wig that I'm reinstalling is from Sterly Hair. The link for this wig can be found down in the description box below. And she's a 13 by 6, 30 inch, a 99J body wave wig. But I decided to straighten it for the reinstall because the initial install I curled it and the hair does not curl the best. And the curls just instantly dropped. So I was like, I'm gonna keep the wig just to, give it another trial and see how it goes. And I was like, I'm gonna straighten it and do a side part because I did a middle part with curls. I might like insert the picture somewhere on here. But I think she's tea. She's a cute color. There was a little controversy regarding this wig on TikTok. Girls were saying that it was a synthetic blend. And unfortunately, y'all know I'm gonna keep it real. So I do think there is some mix in this wig due to the fact how it curled and the shedding. The shedding was horrendous. Like everywhere I looked, there was red hair. And then when I first washed the wig after I color removed the knots, it was like tangling up in the water. I said, oh, that's no bueno. So I would keep that in mind if you're looking to purchase a wig. This wig is not like a long-term use. Like, I'm lucky that I got 2 installs out of it because I know how to take care of my wigs regardless of like the material, because I can make a synthetic wig last a good little minute. So yeah, this is not the type of wig that you want to like wear if you're thinking about changing your hair color for a long duration. So you want like a little quick weekend trip and you just want to stunt on bitches and be like, oh, let's switch it up, then this is a wig for you. It's not no long-term use because literally throughout the day, just a singular day of me reinstalling this wig and wearing it, I had to put it in a ponytail because like the ends were just looking like, girl, what are you doing? The hair just kept tangling. I was like, this is bad for business. But she is true to length. This is a true 30 inches. I can vouch for that. And the color, tea. And the knots took really well to me color removing them. And I posted this video on Instagram, and the girlies were swearing up and down that I overplucked my part. Baby, no, this is just over bleached. I don't plug parts. I used to plug parts when I first started installing wigs, but then it was given like Moses part of the Red Sea, and I was like, yeah, no, that's not cute. So I just do my little concealer, and I like a nice tight, crisp part. So I would never overpluck a part. Over bleach, yeah, but that's an easy fix. Like I really had to sit there in the comments and tell the girl, like, look, this is an easy fix. So I don't know why you're down my throat trying to tell me I don't know ball, because baby, I know ball. Hello, but I did like this wig. So overall rating, I would have to say it's a 7 out of 10, mainly because of the blend and the shedding. But it's a cute wig. I really had no problems, but the initial install was just treacherous, and I'm actually mad at myself for posting that. But you live and you learn. Hello, that's what you keep wigs for and reinstall them, so you can like get the desired effect you want. And sometimes the reinstalls be eaten down more than the initial install because the lace is already cut. You ain't got to go through all the hassle. And this lace is on the thicker side because the lace is transparent. But like always, if you're using a transparent lace, you want to go like a shade or 2 darker than what you normally would use, because I use level 15 for Ruby Kisses, and I had to go up to like mix it with like level 16 just to get a more melted look. But I did the best I can because the lace was just thick as I don't know what. And as always, I'm using my lace products. My website can be found down in the description box below as well. And everything I use is always in the description box. Like girls always ask like, what's the links to stuff? They're always in the description box. I sit here and take my time going through and linking each item so everyone can find and use the same things that I'm using. Personally, for me, I don't think I would work for Sterly Hair again. This is my 3rd time working with them. The reinstall video is not sponsored, by the way. But I had posted a video a while back with the black body wave wig from them, and that hair just did not curl whatsoever. I tried to add layers. I used different curling irons, different techniques, and the hair was just not curly. But I had got a curly wig from them. Wig was bomb. So if you're looking to purchase something from Sterly Hair, do not get anything body wave. Your best bet would be to get a straight or a curly texture because the body wave is not going to curl. You may have to flexi rod it. I didn't try wand curls, but I kind of doubt that the wand curls will last because I can't curl it with a regular barrel curler. What is a wand curl going to do? So just keep that in mind if you're looking to purchase anything from Sterly Hair, because they are just not my cup of tea. Okay, I'm done yapping you guys heads off for the moment. I'm just gonna let you guys enjoy the reinstall video. I've kind of already said how I feel about this wig. Really not much more to say, so be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and let your girl know how you feel about this wig and what are your thoughts about Sterly Hair. And that's it for this reinstall. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and me yapping your head off a little bit. Y'all already know, if it's a side part, I'm there. And if it's red, oh baby, we're up. But let it be curly. Ooh, I might need to do me a side part curly wig. But as always, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!